In general, putting in the mortgage caps will anchor house prices to the real economy. The problem 2000 to 2007 was that there was no link between the real economy and the housing market. So prices increased by a huge factor, maybe 3 or 4 times in the space of 10 years. What we have now is, as long as incomes don't go up by that much, house prices can't go up by that much. So what it means is we're much more likely to get into a market where you see either small rises or stable house prices, certainly once you take out general inflation. There is a sort of a caveat to that, which is that as you go from the old system of mortgages to this new system of mortgages, you will reshuffle demand a little bit. So you'll see people who otherwise can't afford to live in Dublin, they might have been able to afford under the old system, they are now pushed into living further away from Dublin. That may or may not be a good thing. There's certainly, you can see downsides to that.